In this video, we are going to talk about 20 common amino acids that is present in the protein. So we are going to talk about the structure, their three-letter codes, single letter symbol, three-letter symbol and single letter code, and whether they are polar and non-polar. So we are basically going to talk about the name, 3 and 1 letter symbol, formula, linear formula, and the structure and their properties. So first one is alanine. Okay, first one is alanine, represented in a three-letter code as ALA and as a single letter symbol as A. Okay, formula is given in the screen. So and structure is you will be having an CH3 as R in the general form of amino acid. So it is a non-polar, it has a non-polar uncharged side chain. So here you see there is no polar group, only CH2 and the COOH and the NH2 is there, and there is a presence of CH3. So it has a non-polar uncharged side chain. It's a non-essential amino acid. So it is prepared in our body. Okay, example of a non-essential amino acids, you can give alanine as one of the example. Aliphatic monoamino monocarboxylic acid, simple and glycogenic amino acids. Next one is arginine. Three-letter code is ARG. It will be interesting if you want to see the sequence of a protein, any protein. There are some lakhs of protein in nature. They would have there is a protein bank. Okay, pdb.org is the website. You can visit the website and see any one of the protein, and you can download the structure of the protein. And there is a free software like Pymol, which uses the Linux background, and also there is a Discovery Studio. So in those software you can view these proteins if you are interested, and see the sequence of arrangement. They would have given a one letter symbol for the sequence of arrangement of the amino acids. Sometimes they would have given the three-letter symbol also. So it will be interesting how they are arranged. There will be an around many, as I have seen, many proteins, thousands of proteins in that data bank. Okay, so you can see the latest COVID-19 protein also in that data bank. So arginine, the three-letter symbol is ARG and the one letter is R. So formula, there will be an basic charge side chain. So there is an NH2 present, so which will have an NH2, and there is an NH also. There will be a basic amino acids. Okay, it's an aliphatic diamino monocarboxylic acid. So got an one NH2 and one H2. This is a secondary amine. These are two are primary amines. So two primary amino group is present. So it is diamino monocarboxylic acid. It's a semi-essential and a basic amino acids. So next one is asparagine. Okay, represented as ASN, and in a single letter it is N. So it is also an amide group. Okay, so polar uncharged side chain. There is an amide group in the R present, CONH2. So aromatic monoamino monocarboxylic amide containing amino acids. So it's a non-essential, and although it is it has got NH2 which is present with the CO. So amide normally does not have a basic character like amine. So it is a neutral amino acid. So next one is aspartic acid, ASP, and represented as D. So here you have got a COOH, CH2 COOH as a side chain, or is basically we are talking about alpha amino acid. So alpha amino acid means there will be an R CH NH2 COH. So R group would be different in the 20 amino acids. Here the R group is CH2 COH. It has got an acidic charge in the side chain. It's a non-essential and acidic amino acid. Okay, aliphatic. It is an aliphatic monoamino dicarboxylic acid. 2 COOH group is present, and is a glycogenic amino acid. So next one is cysteine. A 3-letter symbol is CYS, 1 letter is C, and you got an SH, yeah, sulfur group that is present. Yeah, non-polar uncharged side chain. So CH2SH is the side chain that is present. Non-essential and neutral amino acids. Okay, which contains monocarboxylic acid, which contains sulfur in the side chain. So this is the fifth amino acid, cysteine. Sixth one is glutamine. Okay, represented as GLN or Q. Okay, here you have got again an amide group, but with a long chain. Okay, with a long chain, there is an 4 carbon. So 4 carbon center. So it is an 3 carbon. Sorry, 3 carbon center. So 2 is with the side chain. So CH2, CO, CH2, CH2, CO, NH2 is the side chain that is present. So I got an CH2, CH2, CO, NH2. So it's an amide. Again an amide. Polar side chain, non-essential and neutral amino acids. It's an aliphatic monocarboxylic acid with an amide structure. With an amide. So NH2, CO is there. So it is an amide structure. So next one is glutamic acid. Okay, represented as GLU. Single letter is E. So here also it has got a CH2, CH2, COH. See the side chain. And last case also you got 2-methyl group. Here also you got in the side chain 2-methyl group and the COH attached. So here it has got an 2 COH. So it should be an acidic charge in the side chain. Non-essential and acidic amino acids. Aliphatic monoamino dicarboxylic acid. So that is the classification which comes under. Next one is glycine. The common, a very simple amino acids where the side chain is only H. The R group is H. So it's represented as GLY. Single letter is G. Okay, there won't be any charge because there is no excess of acid or a base. Non-polar uncharged side chain. Non-essential and neutral amino acids. Okay, so it is a monocarboxylic acid. Okay, simple amino acids. Next one is histidine. Okay, here you can see side chain. Okay, which does not have a carbon. Heterocyclic side chain is there. Okay, so it is represented as HIS and a single letter symbol is H. Okay, so it has one basic charge in the side chain. It's a semi-essential, basic and heterocyclic amino acids. Okay, it is a semi-essential amino acids. So it is charge in the side because there is an NH, there is a N, so it should be a double bond. Okay, so NH is present, which has a lone pair of electron, a secondary amine. It can donate a pair of electrons, so it is a basic group. So next one is isoleucine. It has got an alkyl as a side chain, an alkyl group as a side chain, basically a secondary butyl group. So non-polar uncharged side chain. It's an essential amino acids, so which we have to supply from the outside. So again it's a monocarboxylic with an alkyl side chain. So next one is leucine, LEU, single letter is L. Here again a non-polar uncharged side chain, an essential amino acids, aliphatic monocarboxylic, ketogenic and branched chain amino acids. So here the R group is the alkyl group. Here the R group is isobutyl group. Okay, so it does not have an excess of an acid or a base group. It's an essential amino acid. Leucine is an essential amino acid. 12th is lysine. Okay, 12th amino acid what we are going to see is lysine, LYS. Okay, So here you see there is an 1, 2, 3, 4 CH2 group, and there is an NH2 butanamine as a child sign. That is R is CH2, 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 NH2. It's an essential amino acid, so it consists of a NH2, so it should be a basic charge this side. Okay, aliphatic diamino monocarboxylic and ketogenic acid. Next one is methionine. Okay, represented as MET barium. So here you have got an sulfur containing side chain CH2, CH2S, CH3 as the side chain, non-polar uncharged side chain. It's an essential amino acids, monoamino, monocarbon. Only we have got only one COH and one NH2. So it is a monoamino, monocarboxylic acid amino group. Okay, next one is phenylalanine, represents as PHE, and single letter code is F. Okay, so if you are doing bioinformatics or other biotechnology group, the single letter code and single letter code will be very useful. So you have to remember all the single letter code. Okay, here you got an CH2 phenyl group as a side chain. It's an aromatic side chain. Okay, again there is no polar group present, so it is an aromatic and monoamino, monocarboxylic acid amino acid. And next one is proline, PRO, single letter code is P. So here you got an cyclic structure with NH as a structure. So it is a non-essential and amino acids. Okay, and it is non-polar with an uncharged side chain. And next one is serine, SER or S, and you got an CH2 OH, CH2OH as a side chain with the CHNH2 in the alpha carbon. So it has got a polar chain. OH is a polar group, and you have got an uncharged sign. Non-essential and neutral amino acids. Aliphatic monoamino, monocarboxylic hydroxyl group containing amino acid. So the 17th one is 309 THR, single letter code is T, and you have got an CHOH, CH, again an alcohol like the previous one. So polar side chain. Essential and neutral amino acids, you have got an alcoholic OH, so it will be a polar group. So it's an aliphatic monoamino, monocarboxylic carboxylic, and there will be an hydroxylic group present in the amino acid. So next one is tryptophan, TRP, single letter code is W. So here again you have got an heterocyclic side chain that is present here. So here it's a non-polar uncharged side chain. Here you have got an essential heterocyclic and both the glycogenic and ketogenic amino acids. So here the lone pair of electron in the NH2 does not NH does not contribute because it will be in the resonance. So it does not provide any charge. So it is non-polar. So next one is triosine, TYR, and single letter code is Y. Here you have got a phenolic side chain. So OH is there. So it is a polar uncharged side chain. Non-essential neutral, neutral aromatic. So since the benzene ring is there, it's an aromatic group. Aromatic and both glycosinic and ketogenic amino acid. So last one is valine. Okay, represented as VAL, and single letter code is V. So here again there is an isopropyl group as a side chain. So here we have got an alkyl side chain. So it's an essential amino acids, aliphatic monoamino, monocarboxylic branched chain amino acids. Okay, this is about the 20 common amino acids and the structure. We will meet in the next video with vitamins. There will be an video on vitamins. That is the last topic of our biomolecules. Thank you. Bye.